Dear students, now coming to the question number 41. You see someone littering in a public place. They are throwing places in public. So request him, tell him not to do so. And yourself pick up the things and throw it in the garbage. He himself, he, whoever it is, will feel embarrassed. And quietly convince them not to do so. Later on, if necessary, take the help of the local people and put some markers there that they don't repeat it. Politely stop, guide them to use dustbin, right? A friend asks you to lie for her in a difficult situation. Lie means tell lie to someone in difficult situation. What are you going to do? Now here comes the question of morality. You tell them, refuse politely, I'm sorry, I cannot lie because I cannot imperil this. If it is a normal thing, I can certainly help you, but otherwise on a major issue, I certainly cannot lie. Yes, if something is pending, I can help you work. So when you do this attitude, you send the signals. You send strong signal that you are relevant, sustainable, helpful, but truthful. So be honest and do that. Is it clear? Now we come down to the 43rd. You witness a car accident, no one else stops to help. Now you've seen a car incident, but you are helping, but nobody else. Never mind. You help, call ambulance, police, right? Yes or no? And try to give your best. Your attitude of giving the best help is more than important than the result. So if you're doing it, of course the person will survive and of course the person will be saved. Now we come down to situation number 44. You find a wallet on the street with no contact information inside. You find, then what you can do is you can deposit to the police station. You can also inform some author, some newspaper fellow, some other prop, so that it reaches to the right person. Probably in a WhatsApp, you can take the photograph and do it, so that now automatically it will be there and you have told that this police station. कई बार लोग बोलते हैं पुलिस स्टेशन दे देंगे, वही लोग रख लेंगे. अरे भैया जब व्हाट्सएप में खबर दे दिया कि एक पर्स मिला, उसमें इतने पैसे हैं, कोई कागज नहीं है, ये पुलिस स्टेशन में जमा है, आपने एक वीडियो बना लिया. आजकल तो you have got n number of ways to help, and then you have informed everyone, everything is okay, rock on. Now question number 45. A neighbor's house catches fire and they are panicking. Dar, घबरा रहे. Go help them, make them relax, call fire brigade, evacuate the house, खाली करो, inflammable हटाओ. Inflammable माने ज्वलनशील पदार्थ, जितने जलने वाले जल्दी कैच कर ले फायर. Paint, gas stove, all these things, remove it. Important thing, अगर कर सको तो. Otherwise don't go and risk for the sake that I said it, so you did it. Don't do all that. That is it. Clear? Okay. Now we come down 46. You see a child falling into a swimming pool, but no lifeguard is around. अब child गिर गया, lifeguard नहीं है. You think that he does not know swimming, jump in. Save the person. Use a rope, use a tube. But again, the child is not capable to use the rope. So take the rope and you jump along with the rope. So this way you can manage. Is it clear? Or take a tube and then jump if you don't know swimming. If you know swimming, go and get the child out. Child weight is too less, so he will not create that problem that he will help drown you. आपको drown नहीं करेगा, child में नहीं. बड़े में होता है कि आप गए, उसने भी आपको डुबा दिया. Right? Question number 47. You are the only one who notices a passenger fainting on a bus. आपने देखा कि अरे वो बेहोश हो गया, तो go help him. Sprinkle water, give him relaxation, provide help, alert driver, co-passenger, and that is the way it is to be done. Now these are attitudes. Some people don't have it. Some people, why should I? Now why should I is one answer which nobody has given, and society has gone from bad to worse. कभी भी कोई आदमी why should I पे जब आता है, तो ना तो उसने उत्तर पाया है, बल्कि खराब होता है. तो please improve it. Question number 48. A friend calls you late at night saying she feels unsafe at home. उसको डर लग रहा है, तो okay, go rush to a place, inform police, relatives, also the neighbors. नहीं पता चला you have stayed and you are also into trouble, so you should inform few people, your family members, probably if you've got a brother or someone who's there, other people can go there, mother can go with you, that way you can help. Your cab driver is taking an unfamiliar route at night. He's taking a wrong, possibly a question driver, ask him to share your live location. inform the authorities. Even if the driver must be dreaming, God knows what, he will quit the dream. He will say escape, and he will remove that. He will close his programming and change the programming, do a different coding. Just because you have informed the authority, I mean, this is this cab and this. Now, whatever the driver must have been thinking, in case, then you can do that. Otherwise, you can talk to the driver also. Clear? Someone calls you pretending to be from the band and asks for your OTP. You know that these days this is the biggest scam. You all have to be alert. Remember, this is very important for all these candidates. Honey trapping, bank frauds, mail frauds, video capture, all these things is creating terror in the society, creating disturbance in the society. I told you earlier, character assassination is one of the easiest thing to do. If you want to destroy somebody, just assassinate the character. And everybody will at least put him into suspension for some time. Very unfortunate, so you have to be careful. Never share OTP. Refuse, politely say, sorry, I don't have the right phone now. I'll be doing it later, whatever, and report to the police, call the authority, whatever. During a flight, there is a sudden turbulence and people start panicking. You know what is turbulence? Now, this is because of atmospheric air pressures. Start panicking, make them calm, make them relax, because they cannot jump out and solve the problem, right? So tell them to relax, tell that the plane will soon be out of it, and thereafter help the air hostess and the other staff. Assure, follow crew instructions. Got it? So this is it. Now, a colleague collapses at work and no one knows first aid. Now, a person and no one knows. So what? Find out first aid. If there is none, look into your different YouTube, whatever you can do. Call medical help, arrange from other places somehow, or rush with ambulance, whatever you want to do. Save the person. That is your priority. You have to deliver a group project, but your teammates don't complete the task. Never mind, now whatever is done, you have to do a group project, work hard, take the lead, come forward, give more energy, complete, take more help, delegate, आपस में काम बांट लो और काम को किसी भी तरह केन प्रकारे कंप्लीट करो, क्योंकि वो ग्रुप टास्क है, उसमें दोषारोपण पे मत चलो. Think of solutions. करा तो है नहीं, चलो कोई बात नहीं. Now, during a college event, the team leader asks you to handle an unprepared task. Now, you should take every challenges, ready for every challenges. आपने नहीं किया है तो कोई बात नहीं, चुनौती ले लीजिए. Learn from it and try to prepare, on the spot prepare. Logic लगाइए, common sense लगाइए, and somehow complete the task. That is the way your confidence really comes up. Your friends were making livid comments on a woman passing by. Negative, dirty, whatever you call it. So you should stop them, because they're friends. If you will not teach them good conduct, what will happen? Bad friend company will put you into trouble. So I will first convince them not to do so and tell them not to do, because it can be anyone, and tell them that they should abstain from such kind of practices. ऐसी practice करनी ही नहीं चाहिए आप लोगों को. और आप अगर अच्छे हो तो अपने दोस्तों को भी अच्छा बनाओ, ये आपकी जिम्मेदारी है. Tell them to respect women. 56. Your father is a farmer who is not getting compensation for the land acquired by the government. You will. अरे भाई ठीक है, go by the process. Identify, cover, collect all the documents, go to the right authorities, file complaints, seek legal help. Now you're not going to take your gun and as an officer, I'm an officer, so please do it. It will not happen. आपको logical करना है. That's it. That is what we are telling you. Now in question number 57, a classmate tries to humiliate you during a class discussion. First, what have I taught you before? In class, in office, in home. No egos. You have to take it easy. Until unless it is sustained practice, every time happening. Never get annoyed. Stay calm. Respond confidently with facts. Don't take it as humiliation. And later on, be cool. You know, once your positive vibes of understanding goes to the others also change. But the moment you retaliate, now somebody says, you are having no hairs on the head, so how does it make a difference? Number one. Number two, I have shaved it off. Number three, I believe I can take it with humor that now my radar is able to pick all signals. Now, what's wrong? The moment I will not react, the moment I'll take it as a humor, the moment I'll take it positively, any situation, any remark, trust me, you will solve most of the problems. So be calm, respond confidently and go ahead. You lose your ID card on the day of an important exam. You've lost your ID card. Nevertheless, search for it, inform authority, arrange for a duplicate, and also take the help of authority to show the proof and attend the exam. But next time, learn to keep your ID card properly. That also is an additional part which you should write. Now we come down to your situation number 59. You are going somewhere and you lose all your belongings. You lost your suitcase, you lost everything. What will you do? You'll go to the authority, stay calm, contact police authority, that is, arrange temporary help. If necessary, request some relative to send some digital money via someone with the help of authority. Arrange it, manage that time, and next time be extra careful how you manage. A person by single mistake learns forever, but foolish never learns. So remember that also. Last situation, you accidentally damage a friend's expensive item while borrowing it. You have damaged now, admit mistake, apologize, and if possible, which is right, you should compensate for it. And next time, please remember, don't borrow anybody's expensive things. And if you borrow, then return it in A shape. ए शेप माने जितने अच्छे से लाए हो उतना अच्छा लौटाओ, नहीं है तो नया खरीद के दो. ये आपके सम्मान, आपके संबंध के लिए सबसे अच्छा है. पर कई मूर्ख लोग इसको गलत समझते हैं, वो ये नहीं समझते, this will ruin their relationship. So learn either to live within your means, and if you live with the other thing and accidents happen, then take accountability, उसको solve करो. ठीक है ना बेटा. ये जो बच्चियों के लिए है, कई बार होता है आप लोग ड्रेस ले लेती हो, किसी का प्रेस लग गया, खराब हो गई, नई ड्रेस ले दो. उसको रिपेयर करा सकते हो तो रिपेयर करा लो, पर अच्छे से अगर हो जाए. वॉट एवर यू डू, you know, what are we living? We are living in an organization where we have to live happily. हमारा अच्छा डेकोरम, हमारा अच्छा व्यवहार, हमारा अच्छा रेपुटेशन, हमारा अच्छी वैल्यूज हमारे को हमेशा के लिए एक अच्छा अवसर बनाएंगे. रिमेंबर, जब आप न्यू पोस्टिंग जाएंगे तो आपकी रेपुटेशन आपसे पहले पहुंच जाएगी. Always remember this happens. What kind of upset? So remember, that is why all these SRTs being asked, and we also want you to be mentally healthy. Never lose your balance. Be emotionally stable. Don't become sensitive, and become strong and rock and get selected. I hope this session has been helpful. Please do comment. Please do help us to understand how we can really help you, because that is the cause. This time we are trying to be transparent to help you with multiple things. God bless you and God bless us too. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.